We're only a few weeks away from the big reveal of Apple's new iPhones, and the reports are flying thick and fast. According to recent rumors, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will be the only devices to receive Apple's new A17 Bionic chip, as suggested by code found in tvOS 17. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are expected to be powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which is currently powering the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This pattern is consistent with what Apple did with the iPhone 14 series, where only the Pro models received the A16 Bionic chip, while the standard models used the older A15 Bionic chip. Another rumor suggests that the A17 Bionic will have 6 CPU cores and 6 GPU cores, giving it one more GPU core than the A16 Bionic. The A17 Bionic's clock speed is expected to be slightly higher at 3.7 GHz versus 3.46 GHz, and it will have the same 6 GB of RAM as the A16 Bionic. The A17 Bionic is generating significant excitement due to its rumored use of TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, possibly making it the world's first 3nm smartphone chip. This move to a 3nm process is anticipated to improve both efficiency and performance, together with the higher clock speed and extra GPU core, making the A17 Bionic. Furthermore, the volume buttons are set up differently, refuting earlier rumors of a single extended button. Apple is slated to announce the next iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro variants next month, featuring a slew of advancements and unique capabilities when combined with the anticipated iOS 17. The iPhone 15 Pro models may eventually claim to be Apple's most important development in the lineup. Furthermore, Apple is preparing to unveil the most recent variations, the Apple Watch Series 9 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2, both of which will have significant enhancements. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.